Welcome back to Beyond Beans and Weenies. I'm Sue Hansen.
And I'm Janet Rowland. And today we're doing tortilla egg casserole.
Breakfast for dinner.
That's right, in a crock pot. So we start with a dozen eggs and a cup of milk.
Okay, so I'm going to just crack away.
She's cracking on that. And I forgot to grab the crock pot. Excuse me just one moment.
So I guess I need to take it away. So she's giving me this really tough job so that I can, So we could use egg beaters too for this.
Yeah, you could, couldn't you?
You ever use that stuff?
I have not. My grandpa used to.
And actually, I like egg whites for...
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah.
So the 12 eggs in the milk are going to be mixed together. It's going to be layered with tortillas, and we're going to use the flour tortillas. I suppose you could use corn if you wanted. We'll do a layer of the tortillas, a layer of the milk and egg mixture, and then we'll do a layer of cheese and a layer of salsa. Then we're going to repeat those layers, ending with the cheese.
This is hard labor.
It really is.
There's a lot of dang eggs here.
It is. She suggested doing it before we started, and I said no.
So you have to endure.
That's right.
Crack.
That's right. So
Torture.
I'm going to actually tear these up so they don't go up the side as much.
Okay, I'm ready. Now I can beat. Now I'm going to beat this. Just beat it.
There's the milk. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of salt in here. I don't do pepper, so I'm not putting pepper in, but Sue would do that.
Sue would do it.
So,
what would Sue do? Just like what would Jesus do? Okay.
That's right. Except
All right.
you do the opposite.
How much do you want me to put in there?
About half. Half of it, yes. Oh, half a cup, actually. No, that's about right. We're just going to keep ladling it. And so then I'm going to put some cheese in here. And then Sue's going to put, I put about half of a jar, because we're going to put a total of 3 cups of salsa, and the jars are about 2 cups. Oops.
It's kind of like you wouldn't expect that the layering would be that critical. But
I know.
What happens if you don't layer it like that?
I don't know.
Big old clumps of egg or...
Yeah, who knows? I don't know.
Don't risk it.
We could have put the salsa in with the eggs, huh?
Yeah, well, maybe it doesn't, like, you don't want it, maybe you want to see some layers.
I just always mind the rules. Now it's your turn. With a little bit of the egg mixture, a little bit of the cheese mixture.
Janet she has layering rules.
I do.
If you have layering rules, write Janet, because she likes to follow them.
I just play by the rules.
No.
I find when I experiment on my own, did you need to put some more in there?
I think so.
When I experiment
This
too
is not hot,
much,
is it?
No,
You
I
can
never buy hot. When I experiment too much, usually it just goes bad. Okay, now we'll finish up with the rest of the eggs. I'll finish up with
No
some
guts,
cheese.
no glory. No risk, no reward.
That's right. And I'm going to save the rest of the cheese for the very end.
And, okay, that's...
Yeah, why not?
Yeah,
It's real dangerously.
Yeah. Oh.
There you go. Now you're going to cook it about 3 to 4 hours until the eggs are set and the edges are just brown. And
So you wake up on Sunday morning at 2 a.m. and then when the kids get up at 5 to watch cartoons?
Then you're ready.
Do you know any kids that get up at 5?
Not anymore.
Yeah.
That was before when you didn't have Cartoon Network. It was the only time you could watch cartoons was Saturday, remember?
That's right.
It was the only day. Now it's not that way.
Now, yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for joining us while at our little diatribe here.
As we go back in history to
Here
our
we
childhood.
go. Breakfast casserole, yum.
All right.
Join us tomorrow. Thanks for joining us today.
Bye.
Bye.